Good morning, everybody. Bryce with KYGUNCO. I want to talk to you today about a new product from Mathews. This is going to be the Stay-at-Field system. This system is going to help maintain your bow without having to use a bow press. Let's go over here to the bench though, and let's show you how this thing works. All right, so now we got the bow here. First step that we want to do is take the limb bolts out 4 turns on each side. That's going to make it easier to pull the string in the directions that we're needing to. Then for the actual string to maintenance this, there's going to be 2 spots on the cam here. We're going to take this peg and we're going to actually place the Stay-at-Field system right on the peg, just like that. Now on the other side, which might be hard for you to see from there, there's going to be another peg. I'm just going to actually pull the string towards me and place this peg, or the string, right on that peg as well. Now as I do that, I'm going to let off easy, and now we can maintenance the string however we wish. Now to take this off, we're going to do the same thing, but in reverse. So we're going to make sure everything's in the tracks the way we need it. We're going to pull down. We're going to remove the peg, and then we're going to let off of the string nice and easy. Just like that. Now we can do the same thing with the cables to maintenance them. It's going to be really handy to change your timing on the cams, but you will not be able to change your cables because in order to do that, you do have to pull the axle, and that's not going to be able to be done with this system. So you will still have to come into a bow shop, and that way we have a press, we can get everything taken care of here. But that's just kind of a sneak peek of the Stay-at-Field system. It is going to be available at both Louisville and Bardstown locations, so come on in and get yourself set up with a new Stay-at-Field system from Mathews.